Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. If this is your very first time here, hi, welcome to Baby Beauty. Thank you guys so very much for tuning in, and to all my return me subscribers, hi, welcome to Baby Beauty. Thank you guys once again. So for today's video, I won't be talking heavily throughout this video. I just want to explain what I was doing at this point in the video. So this is a simple spring nails, nothing extra about it, nothing is ever extra about me. So what I do some very corny stuff, kind of have to get a hold on myself, kind of get a grip. So I want to kind of talk about what I'm doing at this point, because some persons struggle with using polygel to ombre. So right now I am using apricot from a Stone Beauty, and I'm flushing out the cuticle area because this is actually a press-on nail. I'll flush out that area so it looks as natural as possible. Then I will kind of leave the apex and then fade out the apricot a little bit towards the tip. Then I will cure that. I will flush cure. So I repeat this whole process on the whole entire nail, and then I'll come in. So when I come in with the colored part, it's the same process that I'm doing, but I am doing it downwards. So I will put the color onto the nail to where the apricot was faded down to, and then I will pull back the colored into the apricot color, even though it won't blend because that apricot is cured. So I'll pull it back so slightly so there is an opaque, you really can't see the color. So I'll pull that back to get that perfect ombre. If it doesn't match your liking, you can go again with the color that you chose for the cuticle area and kind of use the polygel and kind of get that feel that you want. I mean, it is simple. It may be simple to me, it may be simple to you, but some persons may find it a little bit hard. But I just want to come on here and explain what I did. I do hope you find it very informative. If this helps you, I have a video on my channel where I was showing you guys how to do a baby boomer. I mean, this is my second time doing this with polygel, really and truly on camera, because I tend to do demos off camera to see what I want to do today. So I mean, I've done this 1,000 times, and I found that this is the best way to do ombre nails with polygel. You may have 1,000 other videos explaining how to do a perfect ombre, but my video may be the one that explains it best to you. So yes, so what you want to do is if you want to do it vice versa, if you want to do it where you put on the color first and then you put on the cuticle color, that is fine. Just ensure that the blending work is good and it matches your liking. That is perfect. That's completely fine. So if you guys do find this very informative, go ahead and subscribe, turn on that post notification so you get notified each and every time I upload. And if this is your very first time here watching my channel, hi, welcome to Baby Beauty once again. Thank you guys so very much for clicking on this video. I hope you enjoy. I hope you find it informative. And also, guys, please don't forget to follow me on all my social media. I only have one social media, that is Instagram at Baby Beauty Services. So go check me out. I tend to post a little bit often over there, so go check me out. And also, I'll be posting twice a week every week. So ensure you keep that post notification turned on so you can see me, that bell pop up or that notification pop up of Baby Beauty just post another video. So once again, hi guys, welcome to Baby Beauty. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for the new subscribers. Thank you for the old subscribers that have been returning to my videos. I really do appreciate it all. I hope you guys are staying safe with this corona that is going around and just taking the world by storm. I mean, it is getting out of hand in certain places, and I'm so thankful for my government who took this thing very seriously at the very moment that a case got here. I'm really proud of him. So yeah, big ups to Andrew Holiness. But anyways, guys, thank you guys so very much for watching. I hope you guys have an awesome day, and I will see you in the next one.